Welcome children. Take out your geography book. Natural regions of the world. Today's topic is Mediterranean type of climate location. The Mediterranean type of climate are found between 30° and 40° north and south latitudes on the western side of the continent. Where are the Mediterranean type of climates found? The Mediterranean type of climate, they are found between the 30° and 40° north and south latitudes, where on the western sides of the continent. They are characterized by dry, warm summer and mid-rainy winter. What they are characterized by? They are characterized by dry, warm summer and even mid-rainy winters with plenty of sunshine. It is considered best for growing citrus fruits and also known as resort climate because of its ideal temperature condition. It is considered as the best growing for the citrus fruit and even known for the resort climate. Because of the ideal temperature condition, Mediterranean type of land occupies only 1.7% of the land area of the earth. Now, due to the good, that means the ideal type of temperature, that means good temperature condition, Mediterranean type of land, it occupies only about 1.7% of land area of the earth. Now, areas or regions where Mediterranean type of climates are found. Now, Mediterranean types of latitude is best developed around the shores Mediterranean Sea, Central California, Southwest Africa, Central Chile and Southwest and Southern Australia. Now, Mediterranean type of latitude. Where it is best developed? It is best developed around the shores of Mediterranean Sea, Central California, Southwest Africa, Central Chile and Southwest and Southern Australia. Temperature. Temperature ranges between 21 degrees Celsius in summer and to 10 degrees Celsius or below during winter. Now, temperature. Here the temperature ranges between 21 degrees Celsius during the summer and during the winter it is 10 degrees Celsius. The mean annual range of temperature is 11 degree to 17 degrees Celsius and the mean annual range of temperature it ranges between 11 degree to 17 degrees Celsius. The mean annual range increases with the distance from sea. Now, mean annual ranges from where it increases, it decreases with the distance from the sea. For example, at San Francisco, it is 5.5 degrees Celsius, whereas Sacramento, it is 50 degrees. Now, for example, San Francisco, it is 5.5 degrees Celsius, whereas in Sacramento, it is 15 degrees Celsius. In the Mediterranean type of climate, mostly suited between the latitudes 30 degree and 40 degree north and south on the western margin of the continent. Now, in Mediterranean climate, what happens? Mostly it is situated between latitudes 30 degree and 40 degree north and south on the western margins of the continent. Subtropical high pressure system causes the summer temperature to be higher. Now, subtropical in the western margin, what happens? Subtropical pressure system, what it causes? It causes the temperature, summer temperature to be higher. Clear skies, low relative humidity and almost vertical rays of the sun are the factors responsible for raising the temperature. Now, clear sky, low humidity, relative humidity and almost vertical rays of the sun, they are responsible for what? They are responsible for raising the temperature during the daytime. Nighttime, the temperature falls because of rapid loss of heat due to radiation. Now, nighttime, what happens? The temperature, it falls. The temperature falls because why? Because due to the rapid loss of heat due to radiation. Thus, the diurnal range of temperature is usually high in drier Mediterranean. Now, so the diurnal range of temperature, what happens? It is very high during the Mediterranean climate, about 20.3 degrees Celsius. That is about 20.3 degrees Celsius. Frost does not occur as a rule, but it occurs or sometimes it can cause severe damage to the. Now, frost, it doesn't occur as a rule, but it occurs sometimes, it can cause severe damage to crops. Pressure and winds. Mediterranean land situated in the 30 degree and 40 degree north latitudes are affected by the swinging of pressure waves during the summer and winter. Now, Mediterranean land, where it is situated? It is situated in the 30 degree and 40 degree north latitude and they are affected by the swinging of the pressure waves, that is during summer and winter. During summer, it comes under the influence of dry trade winds and therefore does not get any rain. Now, during summer, what happens? It comes under the influence of dry trade winds and therefore it doesn't get any rain. Whereas during winter, when the pressure well shifts southward, it come under the influence of westerlies, which causes characteristics moderate winter rainfall. Now, what happened? And during the winter season, when this pressure well it shifts southwards, what happened? It comes under the influence of the westerlies, and it causes the characteristics moderate rainfall, moderate winter rainfall. The rain often comes in heavy showers, which sometimes causes flood. Now rain, what happens? It often causes heavy showers, and due to heavy shower, it causes flood. The annual range is between 35 centimeter and 75 centimeter during the winter. Now annual rainfall, it ranges between 35 centimeter and 75 centimeter during the winter time. In the northern hemisphere, the maximum rainfall is received during the winter between the December to March, while in southern hemisphere, the rainy season lasts from May to August. Now, in the northern hemisphere, what happened? Maximum rainfall which is received during the winter, that is between December to March, while in southern hemisphere, the rainy season it lasts from May to August. Mediterranean climate, it experiences both hot and cold local winds. The Mediterranean climate, what it experiences? It experiences hot and cold local winds. For example, the Sirocco, a hot, dusty, dry wind blows from the Sahara Desert during the summer across Mediterranean. Now, Sirocco, what is it? It is a hot, dusty, dry wind. It blows from the Sahara Desert during the summer across the Mediterranean. Mistral. What is it? It is intensely strong, cold wind, and it blows in winter down to the Rhone Valley from north and reaches the Mediterranean. Bora. What is it? It is another winter wind. It develops because of the pressure differences, that is between Central Europe and the Mediterranean Sea, and blowing from south across the Yugoslavia to Adriatic Sea. Now, characteristics feature of the Mediterranean climate. What are the characteristics feature of the Mediterranean climate? Mediterranean climate is famous for its warm, dry summer and mild winter in Mediterranean climate. What it is famous for? It is famous for warm, dry summer and even mild, rainy winter. Offshore trade winds blow in the summer. Now, offshore trade wind, what happens? It blows during the summer. These are dry and give no rain. Now, this type of wind, what is it? These types of winds are very dry and they give no rain. The sky is cloudless and humidity is low. Now, during this time, what happens? Sky remains cloudless and humidity, it is very low. During winter, because of the shifting of the pressure belt, these regions come under the influence of wind. Now, during winter, what happens? And because of the shifting of pressure belt, this wind, what happens? It comes under the influence of the westerlies. Onshore westerly winds blow in winter, bringing cyclonic. Now, onshore westerly winds, what happens? It blows during the winter and it brings cyclonic rain. Mediterranean climate experiences both hot and cold local winds like Sirocco during the summer and Mistral and Bora during the Mediterranean climate. What it experiences? It experiences both hot and cold local winds, that is like Sirocco, and during winter and Mistral, what happens? Bora during the winter. These lands are known for growing citrus fruits because of its. Now, what are these lands known for? These lands are known for citrus fruit because of its unique climate. Now, natural vegetation. Mediterranean summers are hot and dry, make the plant grow difficult. Now, Mediterranean summers, what happens? The Mediterranean summers, these are hot and dry and it makes the plant grow very difficult. However, the plants in these regions have adapted themselves to the summer drought by storing water obtained from winter rains. Example, bulbous roots. However, what happened? The plants growing in this region, they have adapted themselves to this summer drought, and they store water which are obtained during the winter rain. Example, bulbous roots. Many plants have thick wooden stem with thick needle type of spiny leaves to cut down rate of transpiration. Now, many plants, what they have? They have some thick wooden stems consisting of needle type of spiny leaves to cut down the rate of transpiration. Other plants have taproots which can reach down to the moist rock layer below. Now, other plants, what they have? They have taproots. These roots, they can reach down to the moist layer, rock layer below the surface. In the drier forest, the vegetation is scrub like scrub-like and consist of sweet-smelling herbs and shrubs such as oleander, rosemary, thyme and lavender. Now in drier forest vegetations are just scrub-like and it consists of sweet-smelling herb and even shrub. Such for example, oleander, rosemary, thyme and lavender. In wetter part, example, coniferous trees are found on the mountain slope. Now wetter part, what happens? Examples such as coniferous trees, they are found on a mountain slope. Now species. Coniferous forest consist of evergreen, oak, eucalyptus, jara and kari in southwest Australia, cedar, cypress, redwood and sequoia in California are found. Now coniferous forest, what does it consist of? It consists of evergreen, oak, eucalyptus, jara and kari in the southwest Australia. Then cedar, cypress, redwood and sequoia, it is found in California. Originally the vegetation consists of forest area, but much have been cut down and as a consequence of destruction of original vegetative cover, scrub vegetation is found consisting of lavender, myrtle and oleander. Now originally what happens? The vegetation, what does it consist of? It consists of forest area and much area it has been cut down as a result of the destruction of original vegetative cover, scrub vegetation it is found. It consists of lavender, myrtle and oleander. In France, this type of vegetation is called maquis and in California it is called chaparral. Now France, this vegetation it is called maquis and while in California it is called chaparral. Crops. Agriculture in Mediterranean lands is predominantly intensive. Now agriculture in Mediterranean lands it is intensive. High yielding crops are grown. The climate of this region is ideal for wheat, maize, barley and rice which is grown only in river valley plant. Now high yielding crops are grown here and climatic condition favors for the growth of wheat, maize, barley and rice which is only and they are mainly grown in the river valley plains. Mediterranean region is famous for fruit cultivation. Mediterranean region, what it is famous for? It is famous for fruit cultivation. Citrus fruits like orange, lime and lemon are grown. Now citrus fruit, that is orange, lime and lemons are grown. Other fruits grown are figs, peaches, pears, apricots and cherries, etc. Other fruits which are grown here, that is figs, peaches, pears, apricots and cherries. Several nut trees are also grown in this area. Now many nut trees are also grown in this region. Walnut, chestnut, hazelnut, almond, rice, etc. are important nut crops. Now see, important nut crops grown here are walnut, chestnut, hazelnut, almonds, etc. Olives are grown in plenty and are used as fresh fruit as well as used for oil. Now olives, they are grown in plenty and they are used as fresh fruit and even used for oil. Grapes are grown abundantly in Mediterranean region. Grapes are also grown in abundant quantity. They are used in several forms, fresh as well as dried raisins, and sultanas are the names of the dried grapes. Now these raisins, they are used for the several forms, that is dried raisins, sultanas, these are the names of the dried grapes. The Mediterranean lands are famous for their varieties of wine which are known by the names of the producing area: Sherry, Chianti, Champagne, Burgundy and some famous brands. Now Mediterranean lands, they are very famous for the wine and their names are according to the producing area, that is Sherry, Chianti, Champagne and Burgundy. These are the famous brands. Human habitations in Mediterranean region. The typical area is the coastal region around the Mediterranean Sea in the southern Europe, southwestern Asia, North Africa and other areas are coastal lowlands in California, Central Chile, Cape Coast in South Africa, southwest coast of Australia. Now the typical area in the coastal region, they are around the Mediterranean Sea in the southern Europe, southwestern Asia, North Africa and other areas that are coastal lowlands in California, Central Chile, Cape Coast in South Africa, southwest coast in Australia, while the coastal plains they cultivate wheat, barley and other crops, that is the hill slopes, they are covered with dried fruits. Now, though crops are cultivated for local consumption, a variety of citrus fruits are processed and exported in large quantity. Now, crops, where they are cultivated for local consumption, and variety of citrus fruit, where they are processed and even exported in larger quantity. Hence, fine climate and fertility of soil shores of Mediterranean have long been suited for human occupation and have attended cultural development. Now, though crops they are cultivated for local consumption, and variety of citrus fruit they are processed and even they are exported in large quantity. Hence, fine climate and even fertility of soil, the soil shores of Mediterranean, they are long been suited for human occupation and they are attended by the cultural development. It has been the home of the great civilization of the. It is the home of the great civilization of the world. They cultivate drought-resistant crop by skillful irrigation. Now they use skillful irrigation tactic, so that they can cultivate drought-resistant crop. The most dense agricultural population in the world is found in the Mediterranean basin, and in the Mediterranean basin also most dense agricultural population is found in the world. The other important occupations are gardening, winemaking, making soap from olive oil and sericulture, as silkworm are reared in mulberry trees which thrive in this climate. Now other important occupation of Mediterranean region, that is gardening, winemaking, making soap from olive oil and sericulture, because silkworm are reared in mulberry trees which thrives in this climate. Now take out your diary, write natural regions of the world, topic Mediterranean type of climate explained, homework, revise it. And with this I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.